Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Siti Sarah dengan NIM 22129088, seksi 22 BB11. Baiklah, di sini saya akan membuat sebuah video dalam membaca artikel menggunakan bahasa Inggris untuk memenuhi tugas mata kuliah Dasar-dasar komunikasi dan public speaking dengan dosen pengampu Ibu Dr. Salmaini S. SPD, MSI. Advance in Social Science Education and Humanities Research, Volume 504. Proceedings of the Second International Conference Innovation in Education, ICOIE 2020. Title: The Impacts of ICT Basic Contextual Mathematics Learning on Students' Problem-Solving Ability. Writer: Salmaini S., Ahmad Fauzan, Madan Arnawa, Darmansyah, and Wahyu Widada. Next, abstract. Keywords: problem solving, ICT, contextual mathematics learning. 1. Introduction. Mathematics is an obligatory issue in high school. However, the facts in the students' math skills are still very low. Several studies have found that students still experience many mathematical errors, such as procedural, conceptual, interpretation, and careless errors. The main objective of learning mathematical problem solving is to enable students to think for themselves and to equip them with a set of mathematical thinking skills and processes. They are flexible, independent thinking skills and processes. Students will be advocates to mirror on their thought during the problem-fixing process. It targets so that college students can follow and adapt the strategies they inscribe for different issues and in different contexts. Learning arithmetic through fixing math issues, college students collect a way of thinking on the of endurance and curiosity. Also, self-assurance in incarnation is on a cue out of doors of math class. Self-assurance impacts math capabilities. Mathematical capabilities have a super direct impact on problem-fixing capabilities. There is a super direct impact of mathematical capabilities on self-efficacy. There is a super direct impact of mathematical capabilities on self-efficacy. There is a super direct impact of self-efficacy on problem-fixing capabilities. 2. Method. Based on the problem, this research is experimental research. This is the final part of developing an ICT system contextual learning model. The study population was all students of SMA Negeri 2 Padang. The research instrument is a test of mathematical problem-solving abilities related to the concepts and principles of function. Data were analyzed using statistics, namely analysis of convergence, ANCOVA. 3. Result and discussion. Inferential analysis of data on mathematical problem-solving abilities is used to test the proposed hypothesis as well as to answer the formulation of this research problem. The coverage variable in this study was the student's initial ability obtained from the student's pretest scores, while the dependent variable was the mathematics problem-solving ability obtained from the pretest scores. Experimental data were analyzed using ANCOVA test coverage analysis. The two groups are one experimental group. This group is studying who learn mathematics through contextual learning with ICT assistance. This group of 50 students. The control group is 50 other students who learn through conventional learning. To determine whether there are differences in students' problem-solving abilities in mathematics between students taught with ICT-based CTL learning and conventional learning, because the two regression models are not the same. It will be continued by testing the alignment of the regression coefficients based on the result of the calculation of the parallelity test of the regression model of the experimental group and the control group. The following analysis results were obtained. Because all the analysis of variance has been fulfilled and the two regression models are parallel, it could be concluded there are variations within the mathematical problem fixing as capabilities of students in the experimental group who were given learning by treating mathematics learning with ICT-based CTL learning, with the control group's mathematical problem-solving abilities being given mathematics learning conventional. The effects of this examining have preceding research that the contextual learning approach has a large impact on the mathematical ability and self-confidence of students. It is a learning that can improve her or the mathematical thinking skills, also improves mathematical skills. However, there may be no full-size interplay among contextual and expository learning with students' initial mathematical abilities or mathematical connection abilities and students' self-confidence. Thus, we believe that ICT-assisted CTL learning has a positive effect on the ability to solve mathematical problems, especially the concept of function. For conclusion, high school students who are taught with ICT assisted contextual learning models are able to solve problems correctly. Conversely, students who learn through conventional models have difficulty solving math problems. Finally, we can conclude that the mathematics problem-solving ability of the group of students who learn through ICT assisted CTL learning is better than students that through conventional learning.
Nah, itulah hasil video membaca artikel menggunakan bahasa Inggris dari saya. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.